You need to hear this if you're a content creator struggling to engage your audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to turn things around. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, understanding the stages of content creation is key. First, get to know your audience. Who are they? What do they want? Next, set clear goals. Are you looking to inform, entertain, or persuade? Pick the right format: blogs, videos, or social media posts. Once that's sorted, it's time to create. Craft content that's compelling and optimized for search engines. Think quality over quantity. Establish a consistent publishing schedule to keep your audience coming back for more. But don't stop there. Promote your content through the right channels: social media, email newsletters, or even collaborations. And always track your performance. Use analytics to see what's working and tweak what's not. Remember, content creation is an ongoing process of refinement and improvement. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to creating content that truly resonates. Happy creating!